A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. How are you all? Myself, Neha Kalra from DIPS UE1. Again, we'll be continuing with the same topic, A Letter to Son by Mahatma Gandhi. And now about yourself. How are you? Although I think that you are well able to bear all the burden I have placed on your shoulders and that you are doing it quite cheerfully. And I often felt that you required greater personal guidance that I have been able to give you. I also know that you have sometimes felt that your education was being neglected. Now, here Mahatma Gandhi asks Maninal, tell me about your health. How are you? Are you doing good? I know I have placed responsibilities on your shoulders. I have put a burden on you, but I know that you are doing quite happily. I know that you required a personal guidance, then I have been able to give you. Even I know sometimes you might feel that your education is being neglected. I have read a great deal in prison. I have been reading Emerson, Ruskin, Mazzini. I have also been reading Upanishads. All confirm the view that education does not mean a knowledge of letters, but it means character building. It means a knowledge of duty. Our own Gujarati word literally means training. He further says, I have got an opportunity to read many of the books in the prison. I have been reading Emerson, Ruskin, Mazzini, and even he has read Upanishads. All these books have the same view that education does not mean a knowledge of letters, merely a knowledge of letters, but it means character building. It means a knowledge of duty. Our own Gujarati word literally means training. If this is the true view, and it is to my mind the only true view, you are receiving the best education training possible. What can be better that you should have the opportunity of nursing mother and cheerfully bearing her ill temper, or then looking after Chanchi and anticipating her wants and behaving to her so as not to make her feel the absence of Hiralal, or again being guardian to Ramdas and Devdas. If you succeed in doing this well, you have received more than half your education. Now, he further says, in the true view, it is to my mind that you are receiving your best education training possible. You have been given the opportunity of nursing mother, cheerfully bearing her anger, and then looking after Chanchi and even guessing her wants, and behaving her not to make her feel the absence of Hiralal. Again, you are also being guardian to your younger siblings, Ramdas and Devdas. Further, Mahatma Gandhi motivates Manilal by saying, if you succeed in doing this, if you are doing this very well, you have received more than half your education. You are receiving more than half your education. This is all for today. We'll continue with the same topic. Thank you. Have a good day.